I think as business owners, it's easy to get stuck for ideas as to what to do in our business videos. So let's talk about that. Roll the bumper. G'day guys, my name is Bruce Garrett. I'm the owner of Gingerbeard Media. And as business owners, I think we often get stuck for ideas for our next video. So what I wanted to do was give you a whole bundle of ideas that you can go out there and shoot. Now, just as a side note, whilst this list could give you a whole bundle of ideas, if you want better results, then it's often better to take those ideas and put them into a bigger strategy. And that way you can make sure that you're really hitting the mark with your videos, but also saving time when you come to shoot them. Now, without further delay, let's hit that list. First up, company videos. Introduce who you are, what you do, and why your potential client should pick you over a competitor. Why not do a product video? In product videos, just pick one product that you've got, talk about why it's great, and again, why a client would pick that product over one of your competitors' products. Rolling on from that, you could do a product demonstration, show how the product works, and answer some of the questions that you've been given by some of your clients. Talking of clients, why not grab a testimonial from one of them talking about their experience with your company? Or grab one of your customer-facing employees and introduce them to your audience. How about an update video where you talk to potential and existing clients about your latest and greatest news? Tips and tricks videos are a great way to give valuable information to your audience, which can really help your brand. If there are a series of business processes that you do on a regular basis involving your customers, then why not consider recording a video that explains what each party has to do and how the whole process works? With that, you can then provide that to your affected clients and really help them to understand what the process is about and ultimately save you time. And finally, market updates. Depending on the industry that you're in, you may be able to provide your potential and existing client base with a market update that talks about what's going on. By providing them with regular and valuable information, you're going to find that you're able to build your brand better. So there you have it, a whole bundle of video ideas that you can go out there and generate your own content with. Now, the better question is, how do you generate that list? And for that, I'll be tackling it in another episode, so make sure you are following along. As ever, I hope you've enjoyed this episode of how to shoot video for your business. If you've got any questions or comments, I would love to hear them. And if you're a business owner who's looking to shoot and use video to market your business, then why not consider joining our Facebook group, How to Shoot Video for Your Business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.